Control myself. It's down and you got me shaking. You got me so that my nerves are breaking. If you knew me like I know you, girl, your knees would bend and your hair would curl. You make me move, yeah, like no one else. And when I'm with you, I can't control myself. I've got this feeling that's inside of me. It makes me think of how things used to be. Alright, when I'm with you at night and we love, and we love. You fill me so with this big temptation. Move a nation. I'm okay when I'm here with you. I do the things that you want me to. We do these things for no one else. But when I'm with you, I can't control myself.